Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to bring the joy and flavor of outdoor grilling right into your kitchen, regardless of the weather outside. We're talking about the country living enameled cast iron grill pan. This isn't just any grill pan. It's a family-sized, rectangular griddle, measuring a generous 17 inches by 9.5 inches, finished in a striking blue. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, what makes this cast iron grill pan stand out? Let's get into the details. First and foremost, it's constructed from heavy-duty cast iron. This is the backbone of its performance. Cast iron is renowned for its exceptional heat retention and even heat distribution. This means that once this pan heats up, it stays hot, providing consistent temperatures for everything you cook. It's designed to bring the outdoor grill experience indoors, year-round, and that heavy-duty construction is key to achieving that. One of the most significant features for many cooks is healthy cooking. This grill pan boasts a raised, ribbed surface. What this does is incredibly practical. As your food cooks, excess fat drains away from the food and into the channels between the ridges. Not only does this result in a healthier meal, but it also creates those beautiful, coveted sear marks that make grilled food so visually appealing and delicious. The versatility of this pan is another major selling point. You can grill, bake, broil, or roast with it, handling temperatures up to a very impressive 500 degrees Fahrenheit. But it doesn't stop there. You can also sear and sauté. And crucially for modern kitchens, it's compatible with virtually any stovetop, electric, gas, induction, or any other type of stovetop. This broad compatibility is a huge plus, ensuring it will fit seamlessly into most home cooking setups. Beyond its functional capabilities, there's the element of beauty meeting function. The smooth enameled exterior is designed to look good enough to go straight from the stovetop, to the oven, and then directly to the table. No need to transfer your food to a serving platter if presentation is key. The matte black enameled interior is where the magic happens, promising consistent, perfect results every time. Now, let's talk about achieving those perfect results. The manufacturer recommends a light coating of vegetable oil, cooking spray, or any oil with a high smoke point before use. While the griddle is rated for up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, they wisely advise using medium-low heat settings for the best results. This is crucial for cast iron. Overheating cast iron, especially enameled cast iron, can lead to burning or sticking, even with proper oiling. The description reiterates this, emphasizing medium-low heat for frying or searing, medium-high for boiling or reducing liquids, and explicitly stating to never use high heat for preheating. When it comes to care instructions, they are straightforward and important for maintaining the longevity of your pan. Immediately after cooking, remove the griddle from the heat and allow it to cool completely. It's vital not to pour water onto a hot pan, as this can cause thermal shock and potentially damage the enamel. For cleaning, hand wash with warm, soapy water. Crucially, dry it thoroughly after washing. Cast iron, even enameled, can rust if left damp, so a good dry is essential. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are numerous. The heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures excellent heat retention and even cooking. The raised ribbed surface is fantastic for draining fat and creating beautiful sear marks. Its incredible versatility, from stovetop to oven to grill, and compatibility with all cooktops, is a significant advantage. The attractive enameled finish that allows for direct serving is also a nice touch. And the generous family size means you can cook for a crowd. On the con side, cast iron, even enameled, is heavy. This pan will have some heft to it. While the enamel is durable, it can chip or crack if dropped or subjected to severe impact, so careful handling is necessary. And as mentioned, understanding and adhering to the recommended heat settings is crucial for optimal performance and to prevent sticking or burning. It's also a hand wash only item, which might be a slight inconvenience for those who prefer dishwasher-safe cookware. In conclusion, the Country Living Enameled Cast Iron Grill Pan is a robust and versatile piece of cookware that can genuinely elevate your home cooking. If you're looking to capture those desirable grill marks and enjoy evenly cooked food indoors or out, and you appreciate the benefits of cast iron's heat properties, this pan is definitely worth considering. It's a workhorse that, with proper care, will likely serve you well for years to come, allowing you to grill up a storm no matter the season. Link in the description.